So I was on the news. Check this out. This is really awesome. So I was out there live streaming the protests and the other night on my YouTube channel.
Crowd of people now taking to the streets of downtown Seattle. You are taking a live look from the traffic camera at 2nd and Pike. You can see Seattle police officers there have diverted traffic. We're told 2nd and Union is completely blocked down to seek alternate routes if you can. We did just see a group of people there. Now our cameras at the scene on the Federal Building bringing us this live shot. This is at 2nd and Marion. We have seen a number of people there. The crowd growing, fires starting, some damage also underway. We will keep up with this protest, bring you back here live. And then let's also take a live look now at 3rd and Seneca. You can see police lining the street up and down along the way. The route also blocked down there. Now let's go now to Tukwila, where we are seeing just a very different story.